Hello everyone, my name is Kamal. I'm doing an autonomous robot course at Roboprenr. So today I've made a robot which is a pit avoider robot. So as by the name you can guess that it avoids pits. So if it goes till an end and there's a chance it may fall down, I have put 3 IR sensors here which can detect and make sure that it doesn't fall down. I'll show you a demo. See, now it's going to avoid it and it's going to take a turn. So that's how it's programmed to not fall down and to avoid pits. So we can use this in real life to solve real life problems. For example, we can put this in a car. So when it detects in a pit or something which is really deep, we can either stop the car or we can reduce the speed. So that's how this is made. I've designed this using an algorithm and I've programmed it by myself. I hope you like my project. Thank you.